Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. If this is your first video, hi. So the kind of content you'll find here is beauty related, perfumes. So at the moment this is going to be a jewellery haul, but it's not something I bought. So this pendant here was attached to this necklace here. And I was doing a live one day and then the stone came out. It just wasn't super glued in right. And I don't feel like, as a customer paying the amount of money I did for the necklace, I should have to super glue. I'll probably super glue my fingers together. So I contacted Abbott Lyon, and this isn't the first time I contacted them. I had to contact them, what was it for? So I had to contact them for a bracelet snapping, and they didn't do anything about that because it was over a year old. No, it was over 2 years old, so the warranty expired, so legally they didn't have to do anything about that. Oh yeah, and then I had another bracelet with like hearts on it, and the hearts came off again, not super glued right. And then that was the third time with the pendant. It was a friendship pendant that I'd put together. And I was really annoyed when that happened. It just came off, and then suddenly, hang on, I was just left like that on the actual necklace. Can't see it, can you? But I was just left like that on the necklace. I'm not going to do anything with this. I'm certainly not going to try and super glue it, I don't think. Because like I said, knowing me, I'll probably super glue my fingers together. So in place of that pendant, obviously they didn't replace the entire thing because the necklace is okay. In place of that pendant, oh yeah, and what they also did, because the hearts had come off the bracelet and I'd been complaining, it wasn't the first complaint I'd made. They gave me the full value of the bracelet back, and I bought a necklace, which I'm not wearing now, and I bought this pendant here. So just remembering that. And I decided to pick up some earrings. I thought, well, you can't go wrong with earrings, can you? Well, you can really, because they delivered it. I mean, this is my fault. I put the wrong address on. Not the wrong address, the wrong postal code. And it went to, so I think it went to number 4, where I live, on the same street, instead of it going to my sister's address. Because me and my sister don't live on the same postcode, basically. You know, she lives about 15 minutes away from where I live. I went down to see the woman, and she said she hadn't received it, even though the courier said that he delivered it at 8:20 p.m. that evening. So he's delivered it somewhere. If he's not delivered it to her, he's delivered it somewhere else rather than taking it back to the depot. Anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So looks like that inside. Really nice, luxurious packaging. The jewellery at the moment I'm not loving. I used to love Abbott Lyon jewellery. I'll show you what it looks like inside the box. So again, this is what we're looking like. So anyway, I spoke to Abbott Lyon after the first attempt of delivery, which didn't come to my address. They kept saying, yeah, but it was delivered to that number and postcode. And I said, well, if you look, it says a completely different address. So the postal code was wrong. So they agreed to send me another one out just as a goodwill gesture. They didn't have to because I put the wrong postcode on. But the courier driver should have looked at the full address. And then, you know, if they weren't sure, they should have put it in the phone or something. Anyway, let me show you what I got. It's just going to be a very short and sweet video. So it comes with like a little leaflet. Like I said, really luxurious, personalised luxury. And that's a necklace like mine. Made more you, because you deserve the best. They really do try, you know, and give you good jewellery. Taking care, tells you how to take care of your jewellery. Our jewellery is made from 60 to 65% recycled stainless steel and 80% recycled brass. we used cubic zirconia stones. Well, I've never had anything that's got a stone in a cubic zirconia stone, which creates far less CO2 emissions than mined stones. And because many of our products are made to order, we're able to limit excess products and waste. I do like the way this looks. Like, honestly, you know, I don't think I'll order from them again. And then it says share your story here. Just because I've had so many bad products, I would say. I've had to not send anything back, but I've had to complain a lot. And I feel like that's the only reason they're sending me new products out. And because my other products were still under warranty. Right, so that's what the box looks like. See, luxurious again. And then again there, Abbott Lyon in white. These are really good boxes just to keep. And then Abbott Lyon, and it's got a little cloth there that says, it's got the Abbott Lyon logo. I never use them. And then the earrings come in this. So pretty. I really hope nothing goes wrong with these. And that's what they look like. Maybe I should put them in. I'm going to put them in and then probably take them out. So I want my mum to see it in this. Right, first impressions, they are beautiful. What do you think, guys? I don't think anything can go wrong with earrings. So watch this space, and if anything does go wrong with earrings, with these earrings in particular, I will let you know. If my mum likes these, I think I'll get her a pair. Because the intention was always, if I don't like them, I'll give them to my mum, but I really like them. And what I like about Abbott Lyon jewellery is, like, I go in the bath and the shower with this jewellery and it's not tarnished, it's not scratched. It's really, really good jewellery if it works. But if it breaks, you're just left feeling upset, like I've been feeling upset. So, yeah, I'm all in gold now. The only thing is, all my Pandora jewellery is silver. But I do have some rose gold wishbone rings. I'm going to show them to you, actually. Okay, so I'll show you. So that's Pandora. It's really, really pretty. That's Pandora. Normally I wear these two together. That one's just a plain wishbone. And then this one's Pandora as well. Don't know if you can see it, but it's like little hearts. Maybe you can see that better. It's not even going to fit that finger. Yeah, normally I wear them like this. Oh, my fingers are so swollen. So I think I'm going to... I mean, they're not exactly the same colour or anything, are they? But I think it all goes. So I'm going to wear them today. Normally I wear my half moon ring and I've got like a star band like this, but they're silver, so I'm not going to wear them today. I'm just going to wear my gold. I'm really, really liking the way it looks, and I don't look half bad considering I've no makeup on. I am wearing, if you're interested, guys, I am wearing the Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Is It Fussy. I've done quite well with it. It's not in Project Pan or anything, but yeah, I've done quite well with it. I just thought I would put something on since I'm going to be talking to you. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to me. Let me know what you think of the new earrings. I really, really like them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.